How to change Google password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change the password of your Google account. So without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Google app or your Chrome application. Tap onto your initial on your top page. Here tap onto your name. Then tap on Manage your Google account. As you do so, you will see a page like this. In here, swipe into left and go on to Security. At this page, scroll below and tap onto Password. In order to continue, first of all, verify your password. Simply type in your password at this Enter Your Password box and tap onto Next. Just like so, as you have entered this page, type in your new password. Make sure that is at least 8 characters and retype your password at this box below. Then tap on to Change Password. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.